We reached $70,000 today. That is pretty impressive considering most people didn't think that we were going to hit all-time highs before the halving. This is the first time where we have done this during a bull market. But that's not really what I'm going over. I'm going to go over a little bit, but here is one indicator that after it happened, Bitcoin tripled. But let's celebrate $70,000 today. That was pretty awesome. It got smashed. So what happened was there were a lot of shorts that got liquidated, and that spiked the price up because they had to cover their shorts. And then you have BlackRock smashing the longs that were going really long, leveraged long. So all these spikes up and down and those really violent price movements are because of leveraged traders getting liquidated. Most of these guys don't make any money. They just lose money. Seriously, over the long run, they lose. There's very few traders in the world that use leverage that actually make money over the long run. But this isn't what I'm going to be covering. Here's what's up with JP Morgan. This is what JP Morgan says. Bitcoin is unlikely to match gold's allocation in investors' portfolios in nominal terms due to its elevated risk and volatility. Now, what happened today with Bitcoin hitting all-time highs? Gold hit its all-time high as well. So it went to $2,185. But I did the math today, okay? So gold is up 13% since 2011. That is 1% a year. Bitcoin started, however, in 2011 at a price of 30 cents and ended at $4.70. So Bitcoin since 2011 is up 1,489,260%. I'm not trying to bash gold. I'm just saying this is a much better inflation hedge than gold. Obviously, gold is going to outlast pretty much every fiat currency system in the world, or definitely every. Sorry, it was raining outside. So every fiat currency system in the world is going to fail, and gold is still going to be around 10,000 years from now. Now, moving on, we have the total market cap of AI coins. So if you've been part of our CT club at learningcrypto.com, you want to find out what AI coins we've been buying that have been doing really well, check us out. But the total market cap of AI coins is $23 billion. I think a lot of people in crypto are underestimating what the AI space, the AI narrative is going to do. I've been shouting from the rooftops that AI is going to be the strongest narrative in the crypto space. Not only that, but Sam Altman is trying to raise $7 trillion for AI projects. There's a reason why he's trying to raise that much money, is because the AI is literally going to take over much of the world. And you know what? Why not get in some of these projects like Tao? TAO is a great one. It is an open source AI project that I think could do really, really well. That's just one of them. I have many that are doing really good. Once again, learningcrypto.com. Let's move over to a tweet from Eric Voorhees. He mentions the European Central Bank in November 2022 said the apparent stabilization of Bitcoin value is likely to be an artificially induced last gasp before crypto asset embarks on a road to irrelevance. Now, Bitcoin is up over 400% since the ECB had said that. I mean, these guys, they don't understand anything in terms of economics or finance, and they
do. They're serving their own special interests.
They do, and they serve their own special interests. That is exactly right, Heidi. And these people are really dangerous if you trust them. But we don't trust them. We instead trust Jim Kramer, who told investors to sell Bitcoin 1 year ago. And today, Bitcoin hit an all-time high of $70,000. So good going, Jim. Obviously, he's run by central banks and Wall Street. he is no different than the ECB and all these other goofballs that don't know a lick about economics or finance. But lastly, let's go over this indicator that Bitcoin rose 300% after it hit. Okay, so this is from Bitcoin Archive on Twitter. It said the last time Bitcoin broke the previous all-time high, the price more than tripled in just 103 days. That would take Bitcoin to the price of about just over $200,000. But Bitcoin hitting an all-time high before its halving means it is deviated from history. So I think this is going to change. I think we are going to skyrocket really fast here. I think we have another 6 months to go, and then it might be time to start taking profits on alts. We are definitely going to see an alt season like you've never seen before, especially with this AI space. I think it's going to go ballistic. That's all I have. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.